Them motherfuckers over there, they done fucked up. They fucked up, and they getting loud about it, man. Every what they call it, Somalian out there. Look, I'm for whoever can get their bag, but my niggas, just chill out. they making videos talking about y'all working for us, white man this, white man that. Look. The white man had to deal with black folk for the past 30 years on some shit like we just who you racist, blah blah blah. We've been on their necks for 30 years at least. They ain't taking that shit from them niggas, man. Not at all. Somalians, nobody else. They look. I'm telling you, there's a 60-year-old white dude in power right now. Like I'm about to make an example out of somebody. It's coming. Hey. I'm telling you. The fact that they took the money back. If they just would have stayed here and got arrested, that probably would have been it. That country gonna have problems, man. You think Somalia got problems now? Shit, wait till they done with these motherfuckers.
So who are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Like Somalia stole.
So no. So they found out in Minnesota. I don't know how heavy this is. This might be just on the conservative side a lot, but in Minnesota, they're taking a lot of a lot of Somalians got brought in, I think, in like 2008, and that's just kind of like this Somali like mecca in America.